What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Smartlead client access to be unique to your own individual liking. As you can see right here, we've got the header, which includes my company's brand colors. We've also removed everything that is not the master inbox to ensure that when clients log in, they're not distracted with anything else. All they see is the master inbox so that they can start replying to these leads. In comparison, this is what it normally looks like for the client access. It's not cluttered, it's not bad, but the point is, with this new functionality, we're going to be able to customize it to whatever we want. In addition to being able to remove things, we're also able to add things, such as analytics. We're able to add different tabs. We're able to do many different things. And how we're able to do that is using this feature right here. It's when you log into client, it's the Smartlead, and you navigate over to the client access, you're able to set an external script using JavaScript code. And I will be showing you the scripts that I used to make this come to reality. And I'll be showing you how I come up with these scripts as a non-developer, because you're going to look at them, they're going to look confusing, but I'll show you how it works. And so let's refresh this page to show you that it's no longer like this. So I've refreshed the page, and now we can see it's not like this. And so I'll refresh it one more time just to prove that fact again. So this external scripts thing, it basically allows you, the name for what I'm doing right now, it's called DOM manipulation using JavaScript. And you basically need to write some code, right? And I'll explain how all of this stuff comes into life, but this is the code, right? It starts with a script and then ends with script right here. And if you don't have these, it's not going to work. And what this is doing right here is it's changing the colors of the document. And in fact, we're just going to change it to white and see how that changes everything. So I've just changed it to white. I'm going to update it. And then when we come back here and we refresh the page, we will notice that the header is white. And we can navigate to the email campaign, we can navigate to the master inbox. It's all going to work. I can refresh the page, it's always going to be white. In addition to that, this is the code that's allowing me to hide the different tabs. Again, this stuff is very complicated, and I really have no idea how any of these things are working. But I will explain how it's coming to fruition, how I'm making it all work. And so we go back to this, and we refresh the page, we've got all these tabs. Now it's white, and we've got no tabs. We've just got this. And I'm still working on all of the refinements for this. And in the next week or so, I'm going to have all of this stuff documented, and I can give you a copy-paste solution. But right now, this is what we're doing, and we're able to do it using this code right here. Now, I'm not a developer. I have no idea how any of these things work. So how am I able to build this? I'm doing it using JavaScript. I'm doing it using ChatGPT. And so, for example, to get this code, what I asked ChatGPT to do is anytime. Actually, I'll show you what this looks like first. We'll go back to the client access, and then we will remove this, and we will change this back to my brand colors. So 834AE7. We'll change it back to my brand colors, and then we'll change the company name to be Burger, because why not? This is what it normally looks like. So the company name is your client's access. And so each individual client that logs into your Smartlead account is going to have an individual client name. And so it's going to be Burger, it's going to be Tacos LLC, it's going to be different company names. What I wanted to do is I wanted it to be the exact same name across every single client. And so instead of it saying Burger, I want it to say Afonto regardless of the company name, because I still want the company name here because I'm going to be referencing it in future APIs. And so I simply asked ChatGPT to create the code to ensure that this always happens every single time. And so if you recall, the name is Burger, and when we update it and we go back to this, instead of it being Burger, it's going to be changed back to Afonto. So now it's Afonto. It's also done that other stuff that we don't need for this demonstration. So back to the beginning. How do I make all of this stuff work even though I'm a non-developer? I'm going to delete all of this and I'll show you how to get started from scratch. Like I said, in a few days, I'm going to be building some copy-paste solutions for you guys. But right now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to inspect element. And I don't know what it looks like on Mac, but that's what it looks like on Windows. And so you inspect element, and then you're going to be getting all of these different things. And so let's grab this right here, just because it's highlighting this. In fact, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try. So we're gonna do copy element, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT. By the way, this might not work, so if it doesn't work, whatever. I will find something else. Change. Actually, you know what? It's not gonna work. It's not. I would need a lot of testing. But anyways, I grab this, and then I put it. Actually, hold on one second. This is what it would look like. I basically say in smartlead.ai, how can I hide these elements? And then ChatGPT just tells me some code, right? And so I grab this code, and I was asking it a bunch of questions, but I grab this code, right? And then I say, remove comments from this code. This code. And then it's going to output the code again without comments. And so now we take this code and we paste it in Smartlead. And so what I did, again, I just inspected it, I hovered, it's hovering over some stuff. Like right here, I know that it's something to do with the section. I don't even know what you call that. Like, people think I'm very technical, but I'm not. I just use ChatGPT for everything. And so that section, so we put this here. As I mentioned, we need to put script in front of this, and we need to put script at the end of this as well. And so we put the backslash, and then we put script. And once I do this, I actually don't even know if it's gonna work, but let's try it and see. I'm gonna update it, and then we're going to refresh the page. It didn't work. It didn't work. But anyways, I think that's besides the point. And this is a video of what it looks like just in the day-to-day creating these automations. Sometimes they don't work on the first try, and I want to try out this video and see if it's valuable to you guys to show you how I would come up with these things. I'm gonna fail and fail and fail and fail and fail until randomly I come across something that works. But if there's anything to take away from this video is that you don't need to be technical. You can fail a million times like I just failed right here. And all you need to do is just keep trying different things, and eventually you'll find something that works. And also use ChatGPT. ChatGPT has saved me so many times on so many crazy technical stuff that I don't understand. So start using that. Cheers!